Hello, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Aries. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ay cleanse. Sabi dito, your body, mind, and soul are urging you to take time out for some much needed cleansing. Just as you wash your car, clean the house, or tidy your office, your body also needs care and attention. It's time for some spiritual, emotional, and physical cleansing. So, parang overall ito, no? Na paglilinis, parang major overhaul dapat ang gagawin ng karamihan sa inyo sa ngayon, Aries. Kasi, maaring there's a lot of negative energy surrounding you, no? At, hindi maganda ang epekto nito sa atin, sa inyo, no? Kung magpapatuloy ang pagbabalot ng negative energy sa inyong katawan, sa inyong sarili, sa buhay ninyo, 'di ba? Kasi kung anong klaseng energy ang pinuput out natin sa universe, yun ang babalik sa atin. Kaya as much as possible, we want positive energy na bumalot sa atin, no? Ano yun ang maramdaman natin, yun ang maisip natin, it's all positivity. Kaya ngayon, you're being sent a message dito na it's about time na for you to cleanse, no? Kailangan ng mag-cleansing spiritually, emotionally, and physically. So, what else? We have a father's love. Father's love for his son or daughter never dies. The strength gained from such love is often unquantifiable, and that it can be tapped into at any time for whatever reason. Whether your father is still here or has passed, a father's love is one of the strongest bonds any of us will ever experience. And so siguro ang iba sa inyo, you know, you could be inaaalala ninyo ang inyong dad, no? Maaring may mga experiences ang iba sa inyo rito na nagre-reminisce kayo, no? Na ganito kami, kasaya, ganito kami, ganito ang pagmamahal at pag-aalaga sa akin ng dad ko, ganito, ganyan, no? So siguro there are situations na that reminds you, no, of how your father's love is para sa inyo. What else? We have self-sabotage. When you learn to get out of your own way, there will be no stopping you. Most of the time, it's not others who prevent you from achieving your goals. It's that inner voice that derails those carefully woven plans. Yan. Ito yung mga negative thinking, no? Negative thinking, mga feeling lack energy, ito yun, no, Aries. Kaya maaaring ang iba sa inyo, ganito ang naging sitwasyon, kaya you need to cleanse. Really need to cleanse, no? Mag-smudge kayo ng inyong sarili, 'di ba? Siguro ang iba sa inyo dito, nagpa-practice ng smudging, so you can do smudging on your body, sa environment ninyo, sa loob ng bahay ninyo, to get rid of negative energy, no? Kasi then, yan talagang mararamdaman ninyo kung mayroong negativity around you, mararamdaman ninyo yan na uneasy kayo, anxious kayo, may discomfort kayong nararamdaman. Definitely, there is negative energy there, no? At that affects your thinking. Diba? That affects your thinking. Nagkakaroon din kayo ng negative thoughts. Kaya, as much as possible, tanggalin natin yan, no? Mag-smudge kayo, mag-bath kayo, kahit sa pag-shower, no, maglagay kayo ng kahit a pinch of salt sa tubig, no, at pag nagbuhos kayo ng tubig from head to toe, imagine ninyo, no, na you are removing then lahat ng negativity, no, from ulo hanggang paa ninyo, no, at isama nyo na yan sa pagbuhos ng tubig from your ulo hanggang sa paa, no. Ganon ang paglilinis, kumbaga energetically, no, or you can do smudging as well, no, kung nag-i-smudge kayo using mga herbs, no, yung mga white sage, palo santo, yung mga ganon. You can also smudge yourself with those kinds, no? At marami pang iba. Ang iba dyan, ginagamit cedar, lavender, kung ano ang available ninyo, no? So, it's all up to you kung gagawin ninyo yan or hindi. But those are just my suggestions. Self-sabotage, Aries, tanggalin natin ito. Because yung pagsa-self-sabotage na yan, you are getting in your own way. Ikaw din because of the negative thoughts, no, negative thinking na ginagawa ng iba sa inyo, kayo din yung nagbi-build ng barrier between you and your success, between you and your happiness, no, between you and abundance, between you and prosperity. 'Di ba? Kaya ang iba sa inyo siguro nagsasabi na tagal ko nang nagtatrabaho, tagal ko nang ginagawa ito, nagma-manifest ako, ginagawa ko ng lahat. Pero wala naman nangyayari, hindi naman dumadating sa buhay ko yung mga gusto ko, hindi naman ako nananalo sa loto, hindi naman ako nakakaluwag-luwag sa pera, hindi naman ako masaya, mga ganun. Because you are self-sabotaging, 'di ba? Even if may cleansing kayo, even if mag-smudging kayo, even if mag-manifest kayo, even if mag-affirmation kayo, positive affirmation, walang i-epekto, no? Walang i-epekto kung parang gigil na gigil kayo, walang i-epekto kung hindi naman bukal sa loob ninyong paggawa ng mga ganon, 'di ba? Nandoon pa rin yung negativity diyan. Sa subconscious ninyo, at the back of your head, nandoon pa rin. Even if physically, ginagawa ninyo yung mga ganito, no? Yung mga ganito, nagki-cleansing, naliligo with salt. Kahit gawin natin yan, if ang isip natin, negative ang tumatakbo, hindi pa rin i-epekto yun. Kaya kailangan, because 'di ba, yung manifestation starts in the mind. Kung ano yung laman ng isip natin, 'di ba? Kung anong iniisip natin, yun ang nagma-manifest sa 3D reality natin. Kaya it all starts in the mind. Kung anong ilalagay natin sa isip natin, dapat aware tayo, no? Aware tayo na yan ay dapat positibo. Huwag nating i-entertain ang negativity, ang negative thinking, no? Kasi kung ano ang laman ng isip natin. If we are thinking negative, wag ka nang umasa, no? Wag tayong umasa kung iniisip natin negatibo, wag tayong umasa na yung lalabas sa 3D reality natin ay positibo. Okay? Kasi kung ano, 'di ba nga may kasabihan na what we think is what we create. Totoo 'yun. Kung ano yung iniisip natin, that becomes our feelings, our emotions, at kung anong nararamdaman natin, yun ang mga lumalabas sa bibig natin. At kung anong lumalabas sa bibig natin, yan ang nangyayari sa ating 3D reality. No? Kaya kahit asa tayo ng asa, nagiginhawa tayo kung hindi naman tayo nagtatrabaho, wala naman tayong ginagawa, nagne-negative thinking pa tayo, ay wag na talagang umasa na gumanda ang ating sitwasyon. Okay? So, ito ngayon, ang iba sa inyo is self-sabotaging. Self-sabotaging. So, what else? We have caregiver. We are with you, and the Spirit has its own way of recognizing the care and love you provide to others, especially at the end of their lives. Just as you received care and love at the start of your life, caregivers often focus all their attention on their loved ones and often neglect their own concerns and well-being in the process. Ayan. So, siguro ang iba sa inyo, ito yung trabaho. Ito yung ginagawa. Caregiving, no? And, kung wala kayong unconditional love, no? Imposibleng magampanan ninyo yung pangangalaga sa ibang tao. Kasi it takes a lot of courage, it takes a lot of love, no, para doon sa mga taong inaalagaan ninyo, para magampanan ninyo yung pagiging caregiver ninyo, yung pag-aalaga sa mga taong ito. Kaya kudos to you, no? Kasi ibig sabihin nito na you have that unconditional love for them para magawa ninyo ang trabahong ito. So tingnan natin kung ano pa ang mensahe for you, Aries. We have angel number 101, starting over. Ayan, so sabi rito, happiness is linked to self-expression, growth, and experience. Learning from failures is key. Happiness is real. possible and around. Understand its process and the pursuit of it. Joy is fluid. It's in the little things and the big ones. Fails are fun, so start fresh. Ayan. So, kung walang failure, 'di ba? Hindi natin raramdaman or hindi natin ma-appreciate yung success, 'di ba? Kaya ang iba siguro sa inyo nag-fail at some point. At ngayon, there is an opportunity for you to start fresh. You are given opportunities and possibilities out there para makapagsimula kayo ng bagong chapter. 12:12, oh happy day, an ample opportunity related to your life's purpose is just around the corner. So take immediate action once it pops up. Of course, a lovely partnership or an epic romance is also on the card. So hindi lang ito partnership in love, but this could also be partnership in friendship or any kind of partnership, any kind of any category, no, of relationship ang maaring dumating sa inyo rito. We have angel number 2323. There's some truth you're resistant to accept over and over again. Ayan, so parang in denial kayo, no, sa kung ano ang nangyayari. Until you're tired and restrained beyond depression, it takes a decision to live life for yourself. Life is all about passion. Then you make a change and the world around you follows. Ayan. So, kailangan talaga na mamulat na tayo or magising na tayo sa katotohanan. Buksan na natin ang isipan natin. Buksan natin ang mga mata natin. At tingnan natin ang sitwasyon natin sa ngayon. Kasi parang paikot-ikot na lang, diba, paulit-ulit na lang, yun na lang. And we need to cut to cut the cycle sa ngayon. No? It's about time na to move forward. It's about time na to make a change. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.